top 3 websites that could provide you with the highest paying proofreading jobs out there online. The best part is you don't have to invest any money to sign up on these websites, and these websites work almost worldwide. So without further ado, let's dive in. Proofreading is basically minor correction to an article or a script or anything on those lines, be grammatical errors or punctuation marks or maybe sentence structures and stuff like that. So guys, you could definitely start it. Selling your services as a proofreader on Fiverr, Upwork or any websites that is famous, that's okay. But the problem is the congestion. All these websites are competitive, so chances are that you don't get orders so soon or you don't get a job according to your location or whatever, and then you start getting frustrated. What I suggest is you directly go ahead and apply for proofreading jobs online as a remote worker. So considering this, let's go ahead and check out our first website known as proofreadingservices.com. This is an amazing website